First, click on Custom Size. I choose 2000 by 2500. Click on the background, go to Color, then Color Wheel. Select Gradient. And apply the color code with this color code ACACAC. For this one, the code is CEC9C8. Press C on the keyboard. Scale it up and place it center. Change its color as well. Go to Elements tab and look for half circle frame. Select this. Make it duplicate. Rotate it. Duplicate it again. Drag it down and place it on the plus icon, so that it is in a new page. I changed the background color to white and the frame color to black. The reason is that you can't apply a shadow to the frame. The shadow is applied to the image within the frame. This is also a point we should be aware of. Download this page in PNG format with a transparent background. Go back to page 1. Using the keyboard arrows, gently move the frame a few pixels to the left and up. Like this. For the other frame, move it to the right and down. Upload the page you downloaded. I'm increasing the scale so it fits over the frame. I'm also cropping the extra parts. Go to Edit and scroll down to Shadows, then select Drop. Decrease the angle. Increase blur amount a little bit. Position and send it down. Duplicate it and rotate it. You need to go to Edit and Shadows, then just change the angle. Go to Position. Send it backward. Go to Elements. And look for Texture. Graphics. Choose whichever one you want. I'm choosing this plastic wrap texture. Fill entire the screen, reduce the transparency as well. Position layer and set it the lowest layer. Go back to Elements, search Outfit. I'm going to use one image from Canva's stock images and another image that I downloaded. I've put the website link in the description for you. You can use it. It's free and has very high quality photos. Drag it into the frame. Go to Crop and rotate it. I hope you're liking what you're seeing. If you do, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. A like on this video is always appreciated, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when new video go live. Go to Position and turn each frame and the shadow below it into a group. And if needed, move the frames up or down or closer or further away. Look closely at the design to see what you think it needs. Press T on the keyboard and type your word. I'm going to type trendy. I'm changing the font to Bebas Neue with the regular subfont. Thanks for watching and sticking with me.